Hello my people, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to show you how I cut my chicken now because I'm going to do some fried chicken. I'm not going to take the skin off because I'm going to French fry it. A nice crispy chicken I'm going to do. Let me wash it, take out that. This is vinegar, guys, I'm using to wash the chicken. This is the finishing touch of my chicken. So I just washed it, clean it up properly. Some French fried chicken. So I'm just putting in a bit of thyme and some garlic. And the pepper, guys. Touch bonnet pepper. So I season my flour with some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and garlic powder. I just plain flour. While the chicken have this beautiful color, I use my egg powder. So I'm going to put it in the flour. I'm going to fry it dry. And this is my chicken wing. So I'm going to fold it behind, put it in the flour. And you dust it off when you're done. Just don't put in with a lot of flour. And then you turn down your stove. And you don't want it burned too quick. Guys, clean at the same time. These stoves are so sensitive. Once you start to clean, it's off. You don't put too much in the pot because you want it to fry nicely. Guys, to get a juicy chicken, you can cover your pot for the chicken to steam. Meantime, it's frying. So it's steaming and it's frying. Guys, look at my crispy. Look at my crispy chicken, guys. Guys, don't put with a lot of excess flour. Just shake it off. Yes, guys, this is my last chicken to put in the pot. Okay, guys, put everything together.